kandi nyenda tukira nshonga mugambire habara kutureba Sebo International nikimanyisa ki. I think David obeni wagarika mu kibuzo ekyo.
Sebo International tuyamba kabazadde okuba nti nibetegereza okuyamba abaana baabwe okugenda heru. So twesanga netuyamba abazaire okumanya makisi z'abaana, okumanya budget z'essomero, okumanya university gye bakwenda. So kibasoboseze okuba nti nibabetegekera. So niyo ensonga gye tuba nitukora mu mahanga gonna nitukora mu Africa. Tuna offices 10 mu Africa.
Offices zanyu ziri nkai?
Offices zaitu ziri Lumumba Avenue, Rumi Building.
Oh. Mr. Home.
Yes.
Nabasagambira bakutureba ekigenderwa kyanyu niki?
Kigendera kyaitu kuyamba abantu abakwenda kuseera better life out of advancing in their studies. Bait tibakumanya omulingo gwo kutandikamu oli amazire kusoma, amazire senior 6 amazire senior 4. Tamanye kiki yakwenda kukora hati itwe turo kumuyamba kumoleka omuhanda kuba no yenda koroti kuba mbambi doctor engineer ntuso kumuyamba ntunoso kora eno program ha university no titugarukiraho ntumuyamba no kusera university kiyaragiyaho ntumuteramu application zona no kumuyamba ha visa byono kumbalira paka turora agenzere musomo ya handikes hati kigendera kitu kwija hano mu Mbarara twizire ko kurora ntu extending a services zeitu mu bale bantu b'Embarara abo kuba tugenze kizora abantu bengi muno ne bazetaga services beti bamenye imbere zo mbere baraziha. So tunga calls from Mbarara, from the west bagama naitwa wetu mujeyo ntura muri Kampala bukuba buno moleso nkagono tugukora every year annually, twice annually, but only in Kampala. So this time round twagamba leka tugende Mbarara n'abantu b'Embarara tubakolect tubayambe habukuba buno this service is required by the people in Mbarara, and we have a lot of stakeholders in Mbarara, so we decided to come and reach out.
Oyireho Kampala na Mbarara okumwija mwerizo hino mwanya gundo gumbere mwatayireho
no kabuzanyo.
Okay, like apart from Kampala,
yes.
And you've said you're coming to Mbarara to introduce this to
yes.
Mbararians.
Yes, Mbarara region.
Had home mwanya gundo or like any other region you've visited?
Yes.
In Uganda.
Like in Uganda? We haven't. Actually, Sebo International, I think first I should tell you that Sebo International Study Abroad Uganda, we've been around Uganda since 2022. So we've only been here for about, is it 2 years or 3 years? This makes a third year. Hati mweze miaka esatu buli mwaka tuizintukora kintu evolvinga. So tukatandikira Kampala, Kampala twakora mu 2 every year. So hati twagamba umulingo tumaze kwasa Kampala leka tweyongereyo na ahandi services zetu zongereyo mu bantu bandi abakuzetaga. So Mbarara is just one of the many regions that we are stretching out to. It's the first one, and we want to make a footprint here mu Mbarara turamara tweyongereyo mu handi.
Yeah. Mr. David, who are the main stakeholders?
The stakeholder baitu ni tukora na international schools, ni tukora with local schools, ni tukora with universities, nikyo twizire Mbarara okumitinga ba stakeholders baitu, ba career masters, ba head teachers baitu ni tutagetinga abana ba S6 na abana ba S5. Abo ni toba career guidance okubayamba okumanya marks ze balina okutunga compared to the course ye bakwenda kora. So the career guidance is customized for student yetegereze kim marks za ino kutunga wanagonza correct okutunga, for example civil engineering. Yes.
Mr. Home.
Yes.
Nabasa kugambira abakutureba abazire nabaganyirwa mu bata na abana babo baza kushomera nkaheru babazire nabaganyirwa mu bata. Hati
omuzaire wena nasemerera muno kurora umwana we yamukuza ku rugabuto yawe nafoka ekintu ekikumusema proud, they be proud of their children. So the first step of doing that is giving your child the best in life, and tukimanya ngu getting the best education is the best gift you can give to your child na batakukora kitakulakinga takwetaga na so kwekora buli kimu kyona na foka independent hati iwe nkomuzaire kuro mwana wawe yavugamu yafuna education enunge ya higher education kan tukimanya ensi za heru zine high quality education highly ranked universities so uyo mwana wao kugenda kusomero kwa heru na banatunga muno na banatunga exposure which makes you proud iwe nkomuzaire kandi na banaja kweyongezayo generation yawe agifore yamani.
Does Sebo International help all the students across the world ninga offices zani ziri honka?
Sebo International kako kihura kitongole kimaliriye munsi yona. Tuina office zaitu, head office zaitu zili South Africa, tuina office Nigeria, Abuja, tuina Zimbabwe, Zambia, tuina Mauritius, tuina UK, tuina Uganda, office yaitu hanu ni kutwara East Africa, tuina ni Cape Town, Joburg, so office zaitu zona niziyamba abazaire na abana kubanti netuba obusobozi information okubayamba okudecidinga which university and which course nokuyamba omuzaire okwetegereza budget asobola okunanka okusagika omwana we agenda asoma here.
Let's have applied nkatunga visa and I've gone somewhere outside Uganda to study in whichever chosen university. Visa yanje yahwaho, can I stay in that same country?
Yes. No soro kwikara mu agency bo maziro kusoma bulinsi ina immigration rules zayo nibaha abana maziro kusoma either bachelors or masters 2 years for postgraduate work visa basobora kusero mulumu bakole so kandi nosanga na university zino niziyamba abana okutunga internship mu biseera byokusoma. Yes, no mwana na ikiziwa kuba na akora 20 working hours while they are studying.
Oh.
Yes.
Omwami home.
Yes.
Nabasagambira abakutoreba mwino Ahamworeko muri Mbara Las Vegas. Tell us about that expo. What is it about?
Hatuguno Ahamworeko to eketukora to nkwetukutwara abana basomera musiza heru ma university tugenze twa university zones tukora nazo. We have like over 27 universities coming to Mbarara. Tuagamba tuenda to extending you send us your representatives, so it will be like as universities zonyinzo zehimbire zeija atalitwe ba ukweta ba agent kwija bitulese universities zonyine zije zibaze n'abazaire zibaze n'abana batunge first hand information of what they can get or the opportunities available, so they can hear it from the horse's mouth before they actually go to these destinations. So buno Ahamworeko gwizire kwoleka abantu ngo there is more than just studying abroad, because these people who are here, they are here to tell you exactly how more it is. And if you have any doubts, any questions you've ever had about studying abroad, niyo bezire kwarak bezire kubagambira.
Ndabasa kutugambira nkamuhendo gwa universities ninga people representing those universities that will be around.
Yes, as I mentioned, this time we have over 27 universities from around the world. We have the UK, Australia, Canada, Europe, we have the USA. So we have picked several universities from each of those regions, and we have decided to bring them here in Mbarara. But us as a group, tukora na universities kiraho, just to komera mwezimu habokuba we can tusokutunga kikare kwa accommodating a university zone. We twine partners in Karukumi, so over Rukumi na so tusokubona kubaleta baije babazi n'abana tukomeramo abali most important or very highly ranked or in programs enunge abana zibakera kwenda baije babazi n'abazaire n'abana, so that babaha information ebakwetaga.
Mr. Ham.
Yes.
Ahamworeko gwe nhakoba like abantu bakwambitezwa ku applying ninga she students that will attend that expo.
Yes, abantu nibayikirizibwa kuba tuliyo tukozera, there is a campaign, marketing campaign agenda maiso online tutiraho link yo registeringa kuba noyenda ngoize n'empapula zawe no so kwiziraho ka applyingiraho sahegi bakakwera kikaro iyo ukasigaza kweyongeza meso naitu tukugambire kiki kugaruka the next steps until you fly out kugena hisomero bit kuba noyenda no so kujane academic documents zawe haguno mwereso okeja ukabaza na university ukumara ukakokoma mwe yokwenda kusemize abukuba bagambira byone bebeine then you okachwamo you fill in the application on spot abukuba ni academic documents zetu so then they can admit you because these are university representatives so they know the admission process yona bagimanya abukuba ni bakora mu university
Mwami David ni oragarike mweche twizire tureba companies nyingi eziro kutwara abana heru ngo baza kubashomesa ninga shikubahereze mirimo what guarantee do we have that students will be safe or people that will move with your company will be safe?
Okay, kugaruka mwekyo company yaitu ikikubanza services zaitu tetuzikuzichaginga services zona za busa noija netukutungire kikaro netukukora visa umwane tumtungira namba ya jokorara netukutungira na ticket we can even coordinate na isomero netukutawara umwana airport itwe we are a credible organization we are global tetulinga kabuno kampuni obutaito obukweyiya so nitwenda abazaire batwesige twina obusobozi okubaha career guidance twina obusobozi okubaha service enungi twentusaba twesige tujja kusobola okutwala abana baabo aheru basome universities tuzine direct contract with the university these universities first of all nibatwesigira kim nti nitsokola admission process yabo baitu nekindi universities zino tezimanyire masomero gaitu hano so university nizesiga sebo okuba nti netubayambo kwetegereza document yawe rundi ya isomero lino rundi marks zino kazitunga bank statement yawe ne isanetia so bintu bingi betuyamba university kwetegereza hansi kuno because omwana waba yekolire application egi university ine bikaguzo bingi bijja kaguza results zawe transcript yawe is it exactly from this school so that's why Noesanga University negamba let either Makerere or Mbara University verify did you do this bachelor's from here and that's what sebo eroho kuyamba
no kuongereza kyabalize globally haro some ebitongole ebimu ebikuregulating azino agencies so Sebo International Study Abroad Uganda is proud to be part of the registered and authorized agencies globally. We have agencies like the UKIA, we have the ones like IELTS British Council. So if you are accredited and certified by those agencies which are global, it makes us more legit other than some agencies which are not registered or partnered with any of the global security agencies.
Is Sebo registered with the government?
Yes, it is.
For how long has it been operating?
Just mentioned, we started in 2022.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have guarantees that sorry about that. Do you have scholarship opportunities?
Scholarships zero. University zona zina scholarships. Baitu chigambo scholarship itu inatuketegereza kundi compared to what the universities say. University bwebe kwaile offer nija kusarahu school fees. Ne kusarahu then no sasola balance. However, umwana bawa ina max enungi, a merit student, so kutunga a bigger percentage of a scholarship. So, buli university in a scholarship scholarships zo zilio, but they need performers. Yeah.
Turufutandikana kura no gamba about you focusing mostly on students abahereze senior 6. What of those guys that are doing masters and PhD?
Well, omweleso gwaitu gunu need focusing, it's a public fair, need focusing on undergrad, aba masters na aba PhD. So tuesere amasomero ga international schools, tuesere local curriculum schools, tuesere the general public, the corporate world abakora mwije haboniso gwaitu at Las Vegas kiamukage chikwija muje meeting universities in rundo ina PhD opportunities ziliyo aba masters opportunities ziliyo most abali mu working class bo banoyenda okusoma online still it is possible niso kutungire kikaro ukasoma while you're working here in Imbara so obusobozi oburo
short term courses nazo ziliyo universities zindi ekindi nk'omuntu yaba like you talked about omuntu yabali yashohwire ihanga arukushoma nabasa kukola right do you guarantee their security?
Yes, I can elaborate it this way that buli student sobola ogenda to the other side to study. They're entitled to working. Each student has 20 working hours. However, we need to checking universities in all a particular country. We also do the immigration policies. We understand the immigration policies. So we guide a student that if you're taking Canada or UK, mind of the immigration rules that after you've studied, you'll get a work permit, and the course you're making a choice for doesn't qualify based on the government to get you a work permit. So nitukugaidinga kiali so no manye no kosi jenkutwara in this destination, it will qualify me for a work permit, and usually these countries give approximately 2 years after you've graduated to be able to find a job, then ohindule visa yao into a work permit.
Mr. Helm will answer this. Do you have guarantees that have gone through you?
Do we have
Guarantees?
Yes.
That have gone through you?
Oh, we have plenty. For just the 2 years that we have been running, I can say we have made so many Ugandan parents and students really proud, and we have taken over. If you look on our website, you would see the testimonials right there, and we have taken over 1,000 students for in all the years. So I think we do have guarantees, and if you do need any form of statement from anyone, that is listed on our website. You can visit our website, or you can even simply visit our offices. We have testimonials running around the video, the TV, all the time for students who we have had. Even our social media pages, we always post those testimonials of students who have actually used us, gone through us, and how they enrolled in university, and they're really happy with the service that we have offered. So yeah, guarantee zero.
Again, tell the viewers where your offices are located.
Office zaitu zili Lumumba Avenue in Kampala, Rumi Building, ground floor. Muso kututunga via email uganda@sebointernational.com. Rundi muso kututeri simu zaitu simu zaitu zili ya MTN 0783 410 401, and then Airtel muso kututunga at 0700 36 76 60.
I think Mr. Home will tell the viewers Ogarko bagambere izoba area expo na nebiro, like the days, the number of days obwera aberoho omulimbara.
At expo eno ya universities eroho ebiro byokwezi 22 Mumbara obi area March, that is next weekend from now. It will start from Kurgasai Shatezom Kasheshe, right? Pakasahemu, no, Pakasai Kuminemo is already baju. So, neja kuba walk in, walk out, telling kwetaga kuba ye kilo kiona, noija no tunga information no kwenda or are satisfied, no genda no yongezai no kuribia tukwenda kusibira he kilo kiona. Just to gambire Kurgasai satu pakasahemu, so that you know you can come anytime between then. But you should be there the whole time. So it is just an expo. You come and get the information that you want. Thank
you, Mr. David and Mr. Home Okwija Ahatayari West. Twashemerwa kubareba. kandi nimwe batachura mwena Ahamworeko ngo ngukubaguri aha Las Vegas ebirabe na bibiri ebyo kwezoku kandi wenawe norukwenda kwega cyo kweninga urukwenda kumanya ningo kutunga amagezi ahakuwa kubasa kushomera heru ababamba kwamba bahereza amagezi ago ahizoberyo umwaba nakwereza yabari bet na yabare otarga ahate
Chino bakuretera Yunivasite Expo Ahamworeko gwe bya Yunivasite za Yunivasite ziri kurenga umuri 30 okuruga Bungereza, Ireland, Australia, USA, Canada n'ahandi nizija kuba ziriho okwamakuru agori kwenda on campus virtual tours no gabiraho emyanya aho naho twegiteho shayishatu okwisa shay 11 2022 yokwezoku ari Las Vegas Hotel Marana City nyensa yawe nekweta otaferwa Yunivasite Expo eri kureterwa Sabo International Study Abroad okutamuno kwa yandikise ali www.sabointernational.com/fair ningatera note mushanju mnani shatu ananemwe note ina note emwe ninga note mushanju note ashatu nina nshanju na mkaga omanyebiri kukiraho omuntu ati yakubuza nkonki Oine waka mwereke wako tati yes ninje nanjino mungaro ejo tindijo ni waka alcoholic kombucha echo kunyonya murungi ekibinji bari kuba bino mungaro mnyanya yo kushemererwa muno maka ahubwo kubakorera waka ne kwa waka alcoholic kombucha nekorwa mu kituzi etangauzi n'amajani nobwoki nekorwa echama Enterprises Uganda Limited nikagura kumizonga rero weno hurira wananuka wakanywa waka alcoholic kombucha ehamibwe UNBS